Imagine creating a simple book from the comfort of your home, and every month this book is making above $1,000. It may sound too simple to be true, but I will prove to you that it works. I'm going to show you how. In this video, I will be showing you a low content niche that is making thousands of dollars every month for self-publishers. In fact, one of the self-publishers is making above $2,000 from a single book every month. I'm going to show you that this niche is very simple to create. Anyone can create and publish this book on KDP and increase your monthly earnings. I will show you why I think this niche is profitable, high in demand, and less competitive. If you are new to my channel, my name is Stacy, and on this channel I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So if you like this type of content, kindly subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell as to get notified each time I upload a new video. The niche we're talking about today is cartoon characters coloring book for kids. This particular niche is in high demand. I'm going to show you how I know it is in high demand. So when analyzing a niche, I usually consider three key factors. One is for competition. I'm going to be checking the competition. Two, I'll be checking the demand, and I'll be checking if people are searching for this book. To achieve this, I'll be checking for search result. Search result will show me how competitive the niche is. As you can see, the search result is giving 1,204. Now, if a search result is 1,000 or less, it shows that that niche is less competitive. For this one, it is showing 1,204, slightly above 1,000, which shows that there is competition on this niche, but it is relatively small. There is still room for anyone to publish on this book. Independently published on Kindle Store is just 16 individuals, 16 self-publishers that have created this niche and published. So you can see there are opportunity for any self-publisher to publish on this book. Competition is satisfied because it's relatively low in competition. There are certain niches that when you search them, you'll be seeing 20,000 search result, 30,000 search result, but this is just 1,204 search result, which there are opportunity here. The next I will check is niche score. Niche score using Titan Quick View. If a niche gives a niche score of 50 and above, that means that people are searching for that niche. So as you can see, this one is giving niche score of 80, which is perfect, which indicates that people are searching for this niche. People are buying the book, they are searching for the book, and they're buying it. Now, to show there is demand for this book, I'm going to be using bestseller rank of 1, 2, 3, or 4 books published by individuals on the first page of KDP to show that people are actually buying this book. Now, if a bestseller rank is up to 3,000, 300,000 or below, it's an indication that there is demand for that niche and that the sellers are actually making sales and making money every month. So to do that, I'll be checking for the books that are independently published. So the ones that are sponsored, I'm going to be skipping the ones that are sponsored. This is the first one. This one is independently published. The bestseller rank is given 125. You can see that this is very nice. It's not up to 300,000. The second book is given, this is independently published, given 35,600. This is the second book. Let's check. I'm going to be checking the third book. I'm just looking for the ones published by self-publishers. That will really prove that there is demand for this niche. This is the third book, independently published, less than 300,000. Bestseller rank is 221,337. So I'll be searching for more too. And this is the fourth one, independently published. Bestseller rank is 16,539. As you can see, these are self-publishers. This is the fourth book, independently published. Bestseller rank is 2,638, and the price of this book is just $15. That shows that this person is making a whole lot of money every month. So let's just I'm going to be using the bestseller rank to show you how much this person is making every month. With bestseller rank of 2,638, you can see how much this person is making. With the bestseller rank of 2,638, 2,638, this person is recording above $8,000 every month, and this is a self-publisher. Has proven that this book is high in demand. The niche score has proven that people are searching for it, and the search result has proven that it is relatively low in competition. So for all of that ones, you can see that they have from the review, you can also tell that people are buying this book. This one has 101 review. This one that we used, this one has 2,142 reviews. This one has 22 reviews. Indication that this book is high in demand, relatively low in competition, and very profitable. So I'm going to be checking the interior to show you that this is a very simple coloring book to create. So if you are looking for a new KDP niche to increase your monthly earning, you may want to try this one now. So let's check the interior. I'll scroll down. So you can see what the interior look like. It's just images of different type of cartoon. A girl cartoon, a boy cartoon. This is what this is what the interior looks like. So this is something you can create using Canva. I've already made a video on how to create a coloring book using Canva. So the essence of this video is to show you a KDP niche that is very profitable, high in demand, and relatively less competitive, that you can create and publish to increase your monthly earning on KDP. So you can try cartoon characters coloring book for case. This is what the interior looks like. So let's check another one. From the review too, you can see what the interior looks like. It's just a coloring images that you can compile together and publish it. Checking another book, independently published. It's just Friendly Monster coloring book. Okay, there is no sample for this one, but from the reviews, you can see how the interior looks like. Still same coloring images. So you can see from this, just compilation of coloring images, different types of coloring images. Okay, this is what the interior looks like. So you can see it's something that is very simple to create using Canva. You can get a prompt using ChatGPT and use Canva to create it. So this is a very profitable niche you may want to try. I will leave a link in my description. How to create a coloring book is just the same process. Okay, just get a prompt. You can generate images through ChatGPT or use Canva Magic Media or Canva AI free version, and you can create this book. But if you want me to make a detailed video on how to create this book, you can let me know. Just let me know in the comment section and I will do just that. So that will be all for this video on a new KDP niche that is very profitable, high in demand and low in competition that self-publishers are using to make above $1,000 every single month. You too can increase your KDP earnings every month. Thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next video. Please subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, because I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources.